Happy May 15th, everybody. It's Brooklyn Calloway at Brooklyn's Bungalow, and I have a lot to announce here, so I'm just gonna get started. Got my notes for you guys. The first things first, I have, over the past year, taken your feedback on the craft crates and tried to infuse that into the next box. Something that people said over and over again, I love the bunting banners. So I really ran with that. In the past few months, I have been doing almost exclusively bunting banners. So words strung on a piece of twine that spell something. And anyways, they've been great, but recent feedback has caused me to change courses a little bit because some of you guys want more of a variety. So today, I changed the craft crate for this month. I hadn't announced it yet, but it was gonna be America on a banner. And I was like, oh gosh, I gotta change it up and add the variety. So I decided to design a door hanger that is the United States, okay? It's 24 inches, so I don't know how big that is, but it's about this big. And it says, God bless, and then it says America. And then it has a big star over here, and then two holes for hanging, and then we're gonna have a little ribbon. It's gonna be super, super cute, and German glass glitter will be involved. The kind of graphic that I used to design it, I was just playing with pieces that I had downloaded over the years and put it together. So you're gonna see that below, but please don't pay attention to the color. The colors are all just for contrast and stuff so that I can see the pieces. But God bless America, door hanger, 24 inches, super cute. All those who subscribe between May 15th and the end of the month, or all of May really, will get that craft crate shipped out to them on June 4th. Wow, I'm so excited. It's different. It's got me invigorated, so thank you for the feedback. I was glad to change it up and glad to make you guys happy. So the second thing, we have tons of workshops coming up. We have several artisan instructors that are just rocking and rolling. Watercolor, I have several patriotic workshops coming up. I also just designed those. Super, super cute. And I think you're gonna love them. So please check brookylandsbungalow.com for not only social media classes and planning sessions, but also crafty workshops for the summer. And several artisans have decided to infuse children's classes for all you mommies that want to go to the grocery store alone and let your kids just go on their merry way and do some crafting. The last thing I'm going to talk to you about is bingo night. So some of you have attended my bingo night. I never know where to look here. Y'all have attended bingo night, and I want you to know that this month starts the new and improved format and version. So it's ladies night bingo night. The first hour is a mix, mingle, sip, and shop. We have at least 2 cash and carry boutiques in each bingo night. Then we have a wine sponsor, Scout and Cellar, 5 different bottles of wine. We have a tart sponsor, so you're gonna get tarts passed out at halftime. So between games 3 and 4 of bingo, I'm gonna pass out these delicious treats to everyone. And then we also have 6 $50 gift cards to Bittersweet Ivy, Lillian Welch, Sunny Page, Summer Moon, 811, and Heritage Table. So I'm super, super excited to have those as options for you to pick when you win a game of bingo. So 6 games of bingo, 2 boutiques, a wine sponsor, food sponsor, and it's been extended by an hour and a half. So come out, hang out with me, let's be friends. May 16th, that is tomorrow night. We have a few spots left. And I am, if you're still listening, going to give y'all an exclusive $10 off coupon. May 16th, the coupon is Thank You 2019. And that is just me telling you guys, I'm gonna try not to cry. Thank you for so far making 2019 so amazing. I have learned so much in the past few months, and I am going to be exploding some new ideas this summer. I'm so excited. I couldn't do it without you guys and this venue called Brookylands Bungalow. Y'all inspire me every day, so thank you 2019, capital T, capital Y, gets you $10 off Thursday night ladies night bingo. Be here at 6 o'clock, see the boutiques, and just so you know, they are a little risque, but I'm really excited about the fun we're gonna have, and I think it really sets the tone for the night and how you can just kick back, have fun, laugh, and be with your girlfriends. So I look forward to seeing you. Again, I'm Brookie Lynn from Brookie Lynn's Bungalow, and I love you guys. Thank you, 2019. Hopefully I'll see you at bingo night tomorrow night. And check out the workshops. And the craft crate is not a banner this month. It's a door hanger, and it says, God bless America. So anyways, I love you guys. Have a great day, and I will talk to you on June 1st.